Werner now brings you a 6-foot rolling Baker scaffold system. Easy one-person assembly with no tools required for setup and teardown. Work comfortably from side to side with ample room for tools. Platform height adjusts in 2-inch increments, making this scaffold versatile for various heights and uneven surfaces. Fits through 30-inch door frames for easy mobility. Protected locking pins prevent accidental release of side frame from end frame. Deck pin secures platform to side brace for sure footing. The SRS-72 is stackable. Add one additional section for a total of 2 sections, giving you a reach height of 18 feet. Outriggers and a guardrail system are required when working at 10 feet or above, and all are available as an additional purchase. With a 1,000-pound distributed load capacity, this rugged scaffold is built to handle heavy-duty jobs, making it ideal for commercial use. The Werner SRS-72 Baker scaffold system, with easy one-person assembly, is portable and ideal for indoor or outdoor use.